Welcome to the Kebbi tutorial series. In this video, we're going to guide you through how to troubleshoot Kebbi and run diagnostic tools. Let's get started. We categorize troubleshooting issues into three main categories. The first being Kebbi's voice-related issues.
I heard you, but I don't understand. Can you check the internet for me?
When you hear this, or if the NUA store image is not displaying correctly, it means Kebbi hasn't successfully connected to the internet. In this case, please check if the hotspot and Wi-Fi router have been switched on and are operating properly. Please make sure to check if you're connected to the internet. Being connected to a local network only will not work. If you see the Wi-Fi icon with a little cross, it means your network is not connected to the internet. If you find that Kebbi is unable to understand your commands clearly or responds inappropriately, you can use the NUA creative tool Train Kit to create a project and deploy it to Kebbi. It allows you to further train Kebbi's conversational skills. Or you can directly report the voice issue to NUA customer support. The second category of issues is related to hardware malfunctions.
If Kebbi's wheels are not moving, first check if the chest light is glowing dark blue. If so, it means Kebbi is in movement lock mode. Please check the movement button in the drop-down menu, and if it's turned off, tap it again to enable movement. If Kebbi suddenly stops moving, first check if Kebbi's head and hands light up dark blue. If so, it means Kebbi is in action lock mode. Please check the action button in the drop-down menu, and if it's turned off, tap it again to enable action.
If the issue persists, it could be due to a motor malfunction. In that case, a prompt will appear on the screen. Please follow the instructions provided. Another possible reason is that Kebbi has detected being lifted.
I am falling. Please move me to somewhere safe.
A warning will appear on the screen, and the chest will turn orange-red. Place Kebbi back in a safe area to automatically clear the warning. If none of these steps resolve your issue, please contact NUA customer support for further assistance. The final category of issues relates to power problems.
If Kebbi doesn't turn on when you press and hold the power button, first check if the battery is depleted. In the case that Kebbi is off, plug in the charger and press the power button briefly to check the battery level on the screen. Please note that when the battery is too low, the charging indicator light might not turn on immediately. It needs to charge to a certain level before the light will show. If Kebbi becomes unresponsive due to a system malfunction and you can't access the power options, try forcing a shutdown by holding the power button on the top of Kebbi's head for 10 seconds or more.
If the charging indicator light doesn't blink, it could mean the battery is fully charged, the charger isn't properly plugged in, or you're not using the original NUA charger. Lastly, if you're not using Kebbi for an extended period, store it in a dry environment and power it off. It's recommended to charge Kebbi at least once every 3 months to avoid permanent battery damage due to over-discharge. When Kebbi encounters an issue, you can use the built-in Diagnostics tool to check network connections and hardware functionality. In case of any abnormalities, you can upload a report to provide NUA with the necessary information.
To enter Diagnostics tool, you can find the Diagnostics tool icon on the main menu. On the home page, you'll find 4 main sections: Run All Test, Connectivity Test, Hardware Diagnostics, and Upload System Report. Run All Test runs through both connection and hardware tests. Connectivity Test reviews the Kebbi's Wi-Fi and network service status. Hardware Diagnostics allows you to test each component of Kebbi individually. Upload System Report is used when Kebbi experiences software issues or other problems, sending the report to NUA's backend. Let's go through a full diagnostic test together. Click on Run All Test, then Begin Test. The system will automatically start with the connectivity test. Once completed, the test results will be displayed. Next, we move on to the hardware diagnostic section, starting with the screen color test. After each hardware test, a confirmation list will appear. If you notice any abnormalities during testing, you can select the corresponding items. Once you've selected the abnormal items, click Add to Errors list to include them in the hardware error list. After finishing all the tests, if any issues are recorded, you will see them in the hardware error list. To report these issues to NUA, click Report to NUA. Fill in the contact information and additional notes if needed, then click Upload Diagnostic Report.
Once uploaded, please notify NUA customer service to follow up on the issue. If Kebbi experiences problems beyond connection or hardware issues, you can click on Upload System Report. Provide a detailed description of the problem, enter your contact information, and click Upload System Report. Again, once uploaded, please notify NUA customer service to follow up on the issue.